Ngayon na to?
Seryoso ba? My body is so messy! Oh my God! Ano ba yan?
I thought it was...
Yeah, I know, right?
Today talaga to?
Hindi ko nga alam eh, pero yan. Ang dumi-dumi pa naman ng bag ko.
Buti hindi ako nagdala ng maleta today.
Diba? Ayan. So, I'm Jessie.
Oh my God. Hi!
Hello, Rival Club fans! So, for today's video, meron tayong...
What's in my bag? My God, you know, hindi namin alam na today siya i-shoot. And, my God, girl, ang kalat ng bag ko.
Yeah, speaking of bag, my bag is sleeveless.
I don't wanna show. Alam
ko. Nakakati yung ulo ko dyan. Ayan, let's go.
Okay, sige, ikaw na magsimula. Ano ba yan? Parang hindi pa ako ready.
Kaya akong ilabas yung bag.
Kaya nga eh. Parang hindi ako ready.
Sorry okay, I have here. Meron akong tissue just in case. Pero yung tissue kasi, should be fair with sanitizer. So, I'm very
perfect.
Gusto ko talaga malinis. So, malinis. Kamay, gano'n.
Yeah.
And also,
ako naman, yung bag ko, may another bag. So,
same!
Let's start with the another bag. So, ito, ano siya, mga makeup ko, ganun. Ala, anong Basic lang yan, puro makeup lang, hinihiwalay ko lang. Tsaka syempre, dahil bulag ang nilalang, yung...
Tulo!
Hindi.
Tulo.
Nagda-drive kasi ako, so kailangan natin ng, ano mo na.
Yes. Meron din akong bag dito, maliit.
Bag! Literal na bag!
Yes, sobra kasing liit. Pero ang sa loob niya is, let's see what's inside. Meron tayong...
Gamot.
This medicine is for menstruation. Pag masakit yung
diba?
I need to have this every time. Kasi I'm on my period now, sorry. And of course, I have here lip gloss. Like, Kylie Jenner lip gloss. And of course, meron pa tayong another medicine. Which is perfect. Si Jessie. Ayun.
Iniiwasan. Ilalabas ko muna yung mga parang feeling ko malalaki.
Mga resibo.
Tama, kailangan yan.
Yes.
Well, since content creator tayo, dadala ko ng mic around and ayan ang aking mga devices.
Woo!
Say goodbye.
Ano
Diyan yung mga before kapag nag-edit ako ng videos yan, so I need to hindi kaya ng memory.
I have, of course, kasi as you can see, I don't really have a makeup right now. I just put some lip gloss. So I have the Chanel cream for morning and also foundation para hindi siya mag-wet. And also, Chanel blush on. Chanel, pa-sponsor naman.
Perfect. Oo nga naman.
And
may hand cream ako dito and mouthwash.
For sale.
You know, kasi kapag may meeting tayo, we always have to smell really good.
Yeah, that's right.
In and out. Hala! Ano daw? Ano yung in and out?
Speaking of medicine, I have more medicine. Oh my God. So, hindi lang Jessie. And of course, I have this. Oh, if you're curious about what is this, I have a niece. And, oh my God. Pero iwan ko siya sa bahay. I miss her. So, miss her. Yes. Laruan pa ng niece ko.
Ano ba ba? Ano ba parang kaya ko ilabang?
Ano pa?
Kasi dahil may dala akong... What? Huwag na to! Masyadong private. Bakit nandito ka kasi? Kasi naman! Meron tayong, bubuksan ko na lang para mabilisan lang tayo dito. May dala tayong sandwich. Yes, that's sandwich. For, you know, extra and needed purposes. If you want some lift and support, kailangan natin yan. And, ayan, ikaw, ano ba bang mga ano mo dyan?
Okay. Sobrang dami. Oh, my bag's like a house. I have everything here. Like, speaking of that, I have lollipop. Because I love to suck.
Oh my God!
I'm joking. I love to suck the lollipop. Kami naman seryoso kayo just a lollipop. And of course, kung Filipino, siyempre Pilipino tayo. Proud Filipino! Ayan, Philippine passport. Dala kasi walang ID.
Ayan, ako naman, meron ako. Kung may malaki tayong sandwich, meron din tayong maliit na sandwich. If you have big, you have small sandwich, you know? Hindi yan kulang.
Speaking of that, kayo ba ay lumalakad kayo pag kung may mga lucky charm? Kasi me, I cannot walk without bringing my lucky charm. Okay, do you guys ready to see what's my lucky charm?
Pakita mo na.
So, I have here Yeah, this one, binili ko ng sister ko. She brought this in Japan. She said like, this one is very lucky daw. Wherever you go, just bring this one.
Oh, that's so sweet. Napaka-sentimental value.
Yeah.
Sana all.
Diba?
Sana all may nagkikik.
Bumili na kayo sa Japan.
May nagkikik sa Japan. Ako, since nahilig ako sa snacks, sweet snacks. Tala! Sama mo na yung snacks. O yan, snacks ng pusa.
Do you love cat as well?
Yeah!
Yeah,
I love cat. I have a lot of ragdolls in the house. And puspin.
Yes.
Love,
And
love.
every day, my day is complete if I have this. This is Sabah tea. I was born in Sabah. Sabah is a province of Malaysia. I was born there in Sampurna. So this one is like, para siyang, pag hindi ko siya naiinom, my day is not complete. So I need to drink this so that my day is complete.
Yeah.
I love this. You guys need to try this.
Ako naman.
Sabah tea.
Oh, diba? Perfect! Ako naman, you do have like my passport cards and a little cash kasi medyo uso na yung cashless ngayon, di ba? So, 1,000. Kahit kung alam mo na kailangan natin ng green and blue, yellow card. Ano?
Ano meron sa akin? I have... Bakit nagtatanong pag 5 pesos only? But of course, we need this kasi una sa we need to...
Yes. Perfect ka dyan.
Yes, I need this. Kahit saan kayo magpunta, kailangan nyo yan.
Ako naman, house, susi sa bahay. Anong kailangan natin yan? Parang makakauwi pa ako, Jai.
Meron pa ako very weird. I don't know why. Bakit nandito sa bag ko? I'm really weird. What is this?
Ano yan?
This one is botones.
Ang galing!
Botones to.
Babe, bakit nasan yung sinulid? Gayom!
Yes, this
Yun
one
na po ang kulang.
Ano ba sa English nito?
Button.
Yeah, this is button.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's here in my bag.
Oh my God.
It's weird, right? I think, just in case you have problem, you know, yeah. I think Sheila did this. Because it's like,
Bakit? Ay,
this
alabas
is
na ba?
apple, this is melon.
Ay, naku, bad ka! So, ayan, nagkalat ang ating mga hygienic purposes. I have toothbrush. May mouthwash na tayo, pero medyo addict tayo sa ganyan. And gamot. Hindi pwede mawala ang Berocca, vitamin C, Jai, go mo na yan.
And of course, syempre yung araw natin hindi mabubuo pag walang snack, diba? So, I have snacks, of course.
Ay, ang toroy!
You guys love
O,
durian?
mamaya share tayo, ha?
Bawal. She doesn't eat durian. I love durian.
Yes. I
Yes.
don't like.
This one, for tanggal umay after the lunch.
Galing! Perfect pinag-isipan niya talaga yan. Ang dami mong snack dahil ayaw talaga magutom, ha?
And of course, papahuli ka ba dyan? Syempre tissue pag pinawisan, diba?
Perfect. Ako naman, since alam niyo, medyo gym girly tayo. Hala, bakit napunta sa gym? Pang stretch ito pag na-stress ako. Sobrang cute niya, no? I love this. And, kapag naglalakad-lakad ako, parang bilang ko, Jai. Okay? Yan, bukas ako. Naka 304 na akong lakad.
Wow!
Baka yung sasakyan talaga yan eh, charing.
And of course, suklay. In case, di ba? Kasi I have long hair, I need this. Di ba? Pero lahat ang naisip na suklay. And of course, meron pa tayo candy. And
ang dami mo nga
pagtali sa
snack.
buhok. It's messy. Anyway, you can buy only 1 pesos.
So ako naman, meron pa ako dito, well, emergency, you know. Kahit wala tayo, nagdadala na ako ng emergency. Nadala na si sister and ang ating mga tipid. Sorry na. Okay. Bakit?
Yes.
Binayaran natin to.
Yes, of course. Babe is power. I need babe. Sponsor
Yeah.
RelX.
Her.
Loyal RelX. Sponsor, please.
Ay, nilagay ko na rin yung candy kanina dahil snack din naman yan.
Nadala ko ba yung
So, I have like ipit. Ito talaga hindi pwede mawala to sa akin kasi pag nag-aayos kami ng hair, alam mo, ay, tama na nga, landi.
Ayan. Yan yung mga gamit namin. I'm so sorry, guys. We're not ready for this. Actually, like, as you can see, messy everywhere, you know?
Oo nga, may mga kailangan pa kami itago. Hindi mo lang kami nasabihan, di ba? Like, kakakaloka.
Kaya nga.
Pero like, niladala rin ako ng salamin and I always hook it here.
At saka ito.
Ay, hindi mo yan pwede mawala, Day.
This one is like a life. Without this, I cannot smell anything. So, if I go out from the house, and as long as I'm out already and I'm in the car, I do like this. Because I need this. I cannot live without
See?
this. Like,
Ayan, yan na po lahat ng aming gamit. Yan na ba lahat?
Yes, ayan na lahat. Messy, but it's okay.
Yes.
Ayan, thank you guys for watching.
Oo nga. Ito puro cards lang to, pero like, wag na, at ID. Tally rin, that's it.
Yan, messy but it's okay, right?
Yes. Thank you so much! Sana nag-enjoy kayo po.